Hi lovelies, my name is Kate and welcome back to my life, and today is another tutorial. Of course, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. It's another makeup tutorial, mainly with eyeshadow of course, and it is with Valentine's Day. If you're going on a date, or just want to look good for Valentine's Day, or whatever you want to do, you can use this tutorial, of course. But if you don't want to, that's okay. Just want to do this for the fun of it. But today, I'm going to show you guys this fun little makeup tutorial that I just made up myself. Of course the foundation is optional, but I obviously need to buy some more, so I'm going to skip that part. So you're going to want to take one of these eye palettes that has glitter eyeshadow, and you're going to want to put a little bit on your brush, just a little bit, not a whole lot. Just a little teeny tiny bit. Of course, if you do get too much, that's okay. Of course. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to lightly brush it on our eyelids. It may not show up right away or immediately, but it will eventually show. Okay, of course if you do feel like if you need more, go ahead and pile it on, I guess. But not too much, so you won't look like freaking Pennywise. That'd actually be a cool Halloween tutorial, to look like Pennywise. Like a female version of Pennywise. Like if Pennywise got with Harley Quinn or they had a kid, it'd be Penny Quinn or Harley Wise. I like both the names. It'd be the twin, Penny Quinn and Harley Wise. Oh man, that sounds like a ship that has long since sailed away. Of course, we all know that Harley Quinn will always be with Joker. Harley Quinn's one of the DC characters, even though I don't really read the comics or watch the shows. Harley Quinn is amazing. I like Harley Quinn. Okay, next, after that step is done, you're going to want to take a soft pink color type of eyeshadow. And you're just going to want to put it all over the brush. Just all over. Like immediately, all over. A little bit here. And you're gonna want it to be at the crease of the brow or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what it's called, but it's whatever. Okay, there we go. And of course this step is also optional, but if you want, you can go on ahead and do this step. We're going to take a tiny bit of black eyeshadow and add it onto there. Of course I used too much, so I'm going to use a small brush. Of course I used too much. I used a little too much. No. Of course, if you do end up messing it up, you will always need to have your makeup remover ready. Makeup remover wipes. Always have it ready in hand. Probably need to buy some more soon, because I'm running out. Okay, so we're going to take a small brush, this one, put a little bit of black eyeshadow on there. Make sure it's not too much. Okay, maybe that wasn't enough. Okay, there we go. And of course, we're probably going to add it if you're that type of person that wants to add a little bit of dark effect. And I'm one of those people who likes to do that. There we go. I'm just going to put it at the wing of the eye. It doesn't really look too good, but hey, I can try. But of course, you can always put it. We can go for the raccoon eyes or something like that. I think one eye looks better than the other. Can we just remove it all on this eye, actually? Alright, I'll have to wash my face later. But I think it looks better on this eye, honestly. And of course, you're also going to want to add some mascara. Of course. Mascara is an important part in the thing. I put it on the other eye instead of, like, the other eye. Oh well. It's good enough anyways. One eye with mascara, no eyeshadow on the other eye with the full package. Of course, it's also optional. You can use lipstick for this, but I don't feel like using lipstick. Don't know why I got it out. And of course, this is also optional. You can make a little tattoo of a heart on your cheek to make it look authentic. Of course, mine doesn't really look perfect, but I can try. So if you want to do this step, you can go ahead and draw the heart on your cheek. You're going to take your extremely red brush, add some red eyeshadow, just plain red eyeshadow, no sparkles, no nothing. And we can go on ahead and add that onto our face. It looks more like a pinkish color, but still it is Valentine's Day colored. And there you go. There you have it. So I'm gonna remove all this makeup, and I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, punch the like button like a boss, and I will see you guys next time. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. I'll see you next time, lovelies. Stay awesome, stay strong, stay beautiful. Love you. Bye.